Once again, our cowboy had set out on an adventure. As always, he was riding his good old Honda CBR 1000F. This time, the destination was Flyndersø. Without food and drink, the hero cannot do. The tenderloin pot from the day before was reheated and eaten. Some hours and a blood donation later. After this exhausting journey, it was time to return home to the farm. Where his beloved wife, of course, as always, received him with open arms and longing kisses. All 135 horses were given a well-deserved rest in the barn.